Hello, my name is Camden, and I'm senior studying computer science here at the U of M. One of the things that I struggled with when I was first creating programming projects was figuring out how to get my projects from my local machine out onto the internet so that people could see. That's when I started using Firebase hosting to host static React apps, and today I'm going to share with you how to do that. So I'm assuming that you have created a React app, you have created a Firebase account, and you have the Firebase CLI installed. If you have not done any of those yet, please pause the video and come back once you've done that. So to get started, we're going to go to firebase.google.com, and we're going to go to the the console and create a project. We're going to call it the demo Firebase hosting and click continue. Don't care to add analytics for this project, and it will be creating the project. As it's doing that, we can go over to our terminal and navigate to the root directory of our project. So here I have my Firebase hosting demo project, and I have the files open here so you guys can see. First thing we're going to run is npm run build. And this is going to take all of our files and make it into one deployable package. So it's going to create a folder called build with like the index.html, the assets, all that stuff in it. So we can see here, it's transferred some logos, and we have the static index.html. So this folder right here is what we're going to deploy to Firebase today. So we're going to run Firebase init that is going to link our local project to the one we just created on Firebase's website. So we're going to select hosting by scrolling down, hitting space, and hitting enter. We're going to use an existing project. We're going to use the demo Firebase hosting that we just created. And we would like our public directory to be build, the one we just created. Yes, we want to rewrite all URLs to index.html. This is so that we can use React's router and stuff inside of it. We do not want to set up deploys right now, and we do not want to overwrite. So now we just have to run Firebase deploy, and this will actually send that build file over to Firebase to host for us. So now we can see that we have gotten a hosting URL. If we copy it, go back to Chrome, and paste it, we can see it on the internet. So that is how you get it set up. If you want to create a custom domain, I would highly recommend it. You can go to somewhere like Google Domains and purchase it, but you can share this and anyone on the internet can view it. Thank you very much for listening and have a great rest of your day.